You hit the gym, sweat hard, but your chest refuses to grow? This new research might finally be the missing key. Just one simple move, and the results are unbelievable. According to a recent study, the secret to chest growth isn't about heavy bench presses or countless push-ups. It's about one technique: controlled squeeze isometric chest contraction. Participants in this study were instructed to press their palms together in front of their chest, holding the squeeze for 30 seconds. No equipment, no weights, just tension. This technique activates both type 1, endurance, and type 2, growth muscle fibers simultaneously. This dual activation triggers faster hypertrophy than traditional lifting. Do it like this: 3 sets, daily, 30 seconds, squeeze hold 20 seconds, rest between sets. Repeat for 14 days. Results? Noticeable chest pump and roundness in just 2 weeks. And the diet: stick to muscle-supporting foods. 2 boiled eggs in the morning, 1 scoop whey protein after exercise. Lean chicken or chickpeas for dinner. Hydration is key. At least 3 to 4 liters of water daily. For those who thought their chest will never grow, this research is a light of hope. Stay consistent, and your transformation is just days away.